Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the ASUS ROG Swift 32-inch PG329Q monitor. It's a 1440p. It's got 1 millisecond response time, NVIDIA G-Sync. It's got display HDR 600 and quantum dot technology. So let's open it up. So we got a color calibration testing report. Throw that there. Got some more paperwork here. In search of incredible. Let's toss that there. So let's start off with the power supply. So that's what it looks like there. And this is a 150 watt power supply. So let's just set this aside. And this box contains all the cables. So we got some more paperwork and stickers. Let's see, we got your HDMI cable. This is your USB cable. That'll be used with the USB hub. I should mention that the monitor has two HDMI ports, one display port, and two USB ports. And that's your display port cable. Just gonna set that aside there. And your power cable. And some nuts for whatever it's for. So HDMI cable is going to look the same, but this is kind of your ASUS ROG branded display port. Looks like it's gold plated. So let's set that aside. So it's going to be a little bit difficult to get this out of the box from up here. So I'm going to get it out of the box on the stand, power it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so give me 1 second. All right guys, and we're back. So I put the stand on just for the purpose of this video, because I'm going to be mounting it to a monitor stand for a racing rig. So this is what the lighting looks like. The stand is it's metal, so it's pretty hefty. The whole stand is really good. Like lots of adjustment. Tilt, it'll go up and down, left and right. So all in all, it looks really good. Can't wait to get it hooked up to my racing sim, and I'll be doing another video on that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and the subscribe if you want to see more content like this. So guys, I'll see you next time. If you have any questions or comments, please ask me.